right. How was your mindful path?
Yeah, thank you. So where I was taken to was sometime in the 1800s, and I was a buxom, well-fed, very happily married, had a man who adored me. We were quite rich. We had a big house, and we would have lots of children who would come and visit. We also had, can't remember how many children, but I would make cookies, and there was just a lot of love and laughter, and so I was just able to cope with chaos and just have that love and energy and then it took us to a little bit later on when I'm not sure if it was around the Spanish flu time, but we opened up part of our big grand house as a hospital actually, and had so I was a great organizer. So it was just being part of that process, and it just felt very I was able to share a lot, like I just was there in service. And in finding the so when I went up to get the message of, it was that I'm allowed, and Jenny and I worked on this actually, and she pulled this out during a session. I didn't tell her about it. She said it's possible to have a really loving partner in your life and still do your craft. Because I've been on my own now this lifetime for 8.5, 9 years, and scared to love again, I guess. So it was very much the emphasis of I have a loving, supportive person in my life whilst I get on, and we do the work together. Like I could see us with a clinic doing my work, but I'm supported in that. So it was profound.
Yeah, perfect. And did you take that out into the future?
Yeah, that's what I mean, is we've got this clinic. He's supportive of that. And like anything that I decide around being of service, he is totally in love of me and supportive of. And there's money to do it.
Yeah, I love it. Beautiful.